first item, letter W as a silent consonant or semi-vowel. It's only there for the spelling. This consonant, letter W, is not pronounced, so it's like a semi-vowel, but in spelling it remains a consonant. The words are O, O-W-E, U, E-W-E, or, A-W-E, law, L-A-W, and few, F-E-W. Repeating again slowly, the W is always a consonant in the spelling, but it's only there at the spelling. It's a silent consonant, also called semi-vowel. All right? Good. The words again are O, U, or, law, and few.